everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm Andrea, and I am going to open this package, this lovely Happy Mail that I got from the Crocheted Clogger. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I am so excited to see what's inside of this package. So just hold on. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to all see together what it looks like. Okay, so I have it open, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this card. Excuse my nails, everybody. I know I need to get to the shop to get them done. Oh, this is so pretty. Wow, this looks like knitted. Doesn't it? Like a knitted item. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love that envelope, and it's blue, and it has the stitch work that's knitted. And this is a beautiful card, and it has this beautiful red flower. It looks like a poppy. And then we have a white flower with so many different colors. We have a little bumblebee. And, oh, it's a yarn skein. Look at that. And it's just like entangled in the leaves. Oh, my goodness, this is so cute. So let me open it up and see what it says. Oh, wow. If y'all don't know the Crocheted Clogger, y'all need to go and check her out. Here is her lovely card. It says the Crocheted Clogger, aka Mary Ann, on YouTube and Etsy. Crochet, chair dances, clogging, tutorials, row counters, stitch markers. And this is all of her social media right here with her beautiful logo, which is crochet, crafting, clogging, and tapping. Yes, she's an awesome tap dancer. So if y'all know her, y'all need to go check her out. Oh, I love that. She says, hey, Andrea, I spied this seaworthy charm and just had to make a row counter. Just a little thank you for all your love and support. Hope you enjoy. All my love, Marianne. Oh, such a lovely card. Thank you so much, Marianne. Oh, I'm excited. This is a beautiful, it reminds me of a burlap sack. This pouch right here. So let me look and see. Oh my goodness, I wanted one of these. It has the lime green tissue paper that it's wrapped in. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm excited. Yay! I wanted one with an anchor. Oh my goodness. God is so good. I'm telling you, God is so good. And I thank him for each day that he gives me, and just for having you all in my life. I greatly appreciate you all, and thank God for that. Oh my goodness, it's a row counter. I wanted one. If you guys want a row counter like this, and if you want a custom one, you can reach out to Marianne on her Etsy shop. Go to the Crocheted Clogger. I will be putting her information in the description box down below. But this is amazing. It's a key ring, and you can also clip it on certain things. I definitely will be clipping it on my yarn stash cubbies, just so y'all know. And at the bottom, this is so pretty. It has some beads, and this reminds me of the sea. You know, something you would see at the bottom of the sea with these beads. And at the bottom, there is a silver anchor with a rope going through it. Oh, this is so nice. Thank you so much, Marianne. Y'all go and check out her lovely channel. If you guys don't know Marianne, her channel, her YouTube channel is The Crochetty Clogger. And she's on YouTube. And if you want to reach her on Etsy, you can find her on The Crochetty Clogger as well. So I have to give a major shout out to a lovely lady that I really, really enjoy and love. Thank you so much, Marianne, for this. Thank you all for watching. If you guys don't have me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn the bell on so you won't miss a notification. Please go over to Marianne, the Crochetty Clogger, and check out her lovely content. Check out her YouTube and her Etsy. I know I said it already, but I'm going to say it again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. These are beautiful colors. The row counters are silver and a nice royal blue, silver and royal blue. These, y'all know that blue is my favorite color. So this is amazing. If you guys want one of these, you want to go and support her channel, go and check her out. Also, I do have memberships, you all. So if you're interested, I'm trying to get as many people as I can before the end of the month. Go ahead and check out my levels. I do have 3 membership levels. The first one starts at $1.99 and it goes up. So you'll at least, if you get on the $1.99 tier, you will be able to use the emojis into my stream and also get the badges. Who wouldn't want a badge? I'm telling you, I have 3 tiers. The first tier is First Officer. The second tier is Boatswain. And the third tier is Chief Engineer. So check them out. And you never know, I might add another tier. But for right now, these are the tiers that I have. Please go ahead and join one of my tiers at whatever level you can afford. Monthly, please try it out at least. Go ahead and hit that join button. I have been giving my members so many extra perks outside of what you're seeing that's listed. So they can attest to that. I will be very vigilant and active with you all. And we're looking forward to doing some member-only lives and some fun stuff in there. So go and check it out. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but hey, I want y'all to join my channel. I want mass participation because every cent and every dollar I get helps me to give more giveaways. That money will definitely help with the shipping. You all know that shipping is high, so that will help with that. It also will just help support my channel. Any equipment I need or anything that I need for the channel and to bring you some wonderful items, I will be using that money for it. So if you love my channel, please consider joining one of my tiers. Thank you so much. Thank you, Marianne. Love you. Oh my goodness, my sister from another mother. Thank you so much for giving me this, and y'all go and check her out. I love you. I'll see you soon, and stay tuned. I will have some more fun and exciting stuff to show you all in the near future. So love you, and remember to live each day as if it were your last. Thank you for watching.